Let us welcome on stage for another testimony, Sales Master, Mr. Raymond Agbisi.
Good morning, my fellow Otomians. A greeting of peace. I'm Raymond M. Agbisit from Silang Atom I Global North Star Center. I will be sharing why will I stay with Atomy. But before that, I'd just like to give you a brief background. Before knowing MLM, I was a bank officer, and me and my wife also had traditional businesses, like in our place in Los Baños. In 1999, I was introduced to network marketing. That's when I was introduced to the words of leverage, passive income, financial literacy, financial freedom. It appealed to me then. It was the same as Atomy. We were required to change our shopping habits and also to patronize the products of the company. So I thought then it was very simple. Madali lang yung business. But the marketing plan was different. We were asked to sponsor 9 people, the 9 will have 6, and they will just consume 1/5. Little did I know that it was very hard because we were dealing with people. Noong ko napatunayan po na maraming na nakatira sa Pilipinas na hindi Pilipino, marami po Indian. Yung oo, hindi. Yung hindi, hindi. At saka yung titignan ko, hindi pa rin. So yun po yung naano ko. So after that, naging journeyman po ako ng network. Then I stopped in 2011. We were in debt kami na mag-asawa. Tapos po, napilitan yung wife ko pumunta sa abroad. So for almost 12 years, hindi na po ako nag-network. But in October po last year, a friend of mine, now Diamond Master Manny Ruiz, ito po siya. He posted this video po ng na naka-gloves. Sabi ko, okay yung gloves na yun . So tinawagan ko agad siya, sabi ko, magkano yung gloves? Tapos sabi niya, sinabi niya yung presyo, tapos sumali ka libre. Sabi ko, bakit hindi mo sinabi libre? Kasi for the past few months, he was posting different products, pero hindi niya ako mini-message. So nung nakita ko yung gloves, doon ako nagka-interest. And the rest is history po. So nung May 31, naging sales master kami ng aking daughter po. So salamat po sa sponsor. Kaya po, kailangan lagi nagpo-post, nagpo-follow up, yun po yung . So, bakit po Atomy yung pinili ko na Why will I stay with Atomy until yung ko siguro, yung lifetime ko? Because of Chairman Hangel Park. Yung si Chairman kasi, very trustworthy. Sabi niya, tsaka dreamer siya, visionary, tawag Mongsang, nakita ko yung term. He's a trustworthy person, he practices Christian values. Sabi sa Bible, my people shall perish for lack of vision. So, yun, meron si Chairman Hangel Park. Yung vision, yung saan niya dadalhin yung company, yun yung nag-attract sa akin. And yung one time na nakikinig ako nung talk ni Imperial Master, si Park Jong-soo, sabi niya, nung kasama niya pala si Chairman, nakita niya how Chairman work, tapos nagbi-bleed yung nose niya. Talagang he was very passionate po regarding yung Atomy business. Kaya siya sumunod. Tayo po, dahil dreamer si Chairman Park, yun po yung nakita ko, very important part ng yung leader mo, yung leader na sa top, very trustworthy. Kasi mayroon ring kasabihan sa Proverbs po na pag yung leader mo sinungaling, lahat ng kanyang member magiging sinungaling rin. So pag trustworthy rin. So yung second why I chose Atomy because yung synergy ng United Hearts. So very important po yun. One purpose, one action. Tapos po yung mastige na strategy. Yung pinagsama po yung absolute price tsaka yung absolute na product. So very important po yun, yung tinatawag nila sa Atomy, the genius of and. So ang last po, yung Atomy po, bakit ko siya pinili? Because Atomy is a gift. Yung gift po ng Atomy, bakit siya gift? Kasi binigay sa atin siya freely. Like salvation po, it was given freely to us. Depende na lang po kung paano natin siya itatanggapin. So to end po, I'd just like to say this Chinese proverb po. We are given the opportunity with Atomy. So sabi nung sa Chinese proverb, if we receive a gift of great value, it is our moral obligation to share the gift many times over. This is Sales Master Raymond M. Magbisit of Silang Atom I Global North Star Center.